Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this AI translator. This is a voice translator inside of this little black box. You can see language translator device for 2. Let's open it up. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you all inside of here. Slide this off. So here is the voice translator right on top. Wow. Wow, very nice. Looks like a little camera. Okay, this is really nice. So a micro USB port on the bottom to charge it, like a power button here on the side. That seems to be the speaker. Very interesting. All right, so we also have all of this. That's it for the box. Inside of this, that's it for that. A little instruction guide, pretty nice. Then a pretty long included micro USB cable to charge it. And then this looks like a little necklace that's able to clip onto the device somewhere. Yeah, it looks like right through here. Yep. So then you can just wear it around your neck. That's pretty nice. Wow, this thing though looks magnificent. Love this metal feel around it. Very nice feeling product. Pull this off. Wow. Voice AI translator. So that'll do it for this unboxing of this AI voice translator. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.